Revolution Beauty came out with a new lip product. This is the Revolution Kiss Drip Water Lip Tint. Oh my goodness. Let's try them on. They released 5 shades. These are $8 each, and they have a variation of colors. The packaging is so freaking cute. I love the packaging. They also sell a bundle of all 5 on the TikTok shop as well. It says a sheer buildable flush of color with a glassy water light finish infused with skin-loving hydrators like vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. I love when lip products have hyaluronic acid in them. The first one we're going to try is the shade Peach Fizz because this is like a bubblegum pink. So this has a really nice thin doe foot applicator. It's got a little bit of flexibility to it. It definitely does have a little bit of a fruity scent. I don't know why it wants me to do my Cupid's bow first. Okay. Oh my god, it's very juicy. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna take a little bit off. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at how that immediately turned into a lip tint. I can kind of even take off the top layer and it's already stained my lip. This feels fantastic on the lips. There's no streakiness or anything. This is like, I'm floored by this. My lips feel super hydrated, full coverage. It's not sticking to my dry lip patches at all. And it does outline that Cupid's bow without looking like popsicle lip. Absolutely floored by this. Yeah. I just did my very best to remove that lip stain so that we can carry on with the other shades. The next one that I have, Melon Mist. This looks like a gorgeous neutral brown. Let's do the hand swatch. That looks stunning. Ooh, this one smells like way more like melon. So the scents are definitely different amongst the different colors. Fresh, fruity melon scent. The smell is delectable. Tap it with your fingers. See that? It's 100% kiss proof. It's just the gloss coming off. And then it leaves you with this gorgeous, gorgeous stain. I feel like they are accomplishing what every other brand has tried to accomplish with their lip stains. My lips are struggling, but I'm going to try to keep it pushing. I only have 2 more shades to try. Strawberry Drizzle. Oh my god, that one smells delicious. There's the hand swatch of Strawberry Drizzle. That's beautiful. Smells delicious. Glossy, the pigment, this one's delicious. I can taste, I can smell it. This is my favorite one I've tried so far. It stains your lips immediately with that hard border. That is something you never see with a lip stain. Okay, it's a good thing we only have 1 more left because it's getting harder and harder. Obviously, the stains are building up on my lips. We're going to try this one on anyways. This is the last one I have, even though I know they make 1 more. Berry Splash. Let's do our little swatch here. Stunning. Ooh, wow. That has a familiar nostalgic scent. This one is now my new favorite. This, you can kind of just get that extra layer off. And that's the freaking stain it leaves behind. Look at that. 100% recommend these. If you guys made it all the way to the end of this long review, comment all of the fruit emojis in the chat so I know that you made it all the way until the end and you need to snag this immediately.